how to fix FC26 unable to connect to EA servers on PS5. I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, go into the settings. Here you want to select network. Now go and choose settings and set up internet connection. From here, find your connected Wi-Fi and you just want to press the options button on the controller. Once you click on it, go into advanced settings. Here we want to go and change the DNS settings from automatic to manual and change the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and the secondary to 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, click on OK. This is just going to confirm your internet connection and this should fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, what I suggest doing is going to be relinking your EA account to PS5. After you have relinked your account, then that is gonna definitely fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.